Mafi use ultrasound. Maybe in previous semester you finished ultrasound. We don't want to use now. We want to use only electrotherapy. Okay. So again A. Press again F1. Okay. So you will have different currents. Okay. So here you have IF classic, IF vectorial, biphasic wave. Okay. D galvanic, E tense, and F codes. So we'll be seeing this one after 2 weeks. Okay. Russian current or codes, same. So that is one left, and IF means interferential current. So this classic and vectorial we'll see again in the next weeks. Theory, then we'll see practical. Okay. So now, where we want to go? We want to select tense, E. So where is, sorry? Yes, good. Press. Good. Okay. So again in this you have 3 modes of tense. So you have a conventional tense, acupuncture like tense, and then burst type of tense. So here you say it's modulator, burst, and random. Okay. So now suppose we want to say you decide modulated. A. So where you want to press? Good. Press. Right. So here is the parameter you are going to set. Say for an example, frequency. First one. So how much frequency you are supposed to give? Or what is the maximum frequency limit? 100. That is minimum. Maximum up to you can 300. Okay, we will check how much is the frequency. 1 minute. Let us start with frequency. Say for acute pain you can select 80 to 120 hertz. That is frequency. For chronic pain 1 to 20 hertz. Okay. So how you change the frequency now? Suppose say he is having acute pain. Yes, where the code? If the patient is acute pain, so how much frequency you are supposed to set between? 80 to 120. Okay, so this here maximum is 120. So how will you change here? Frequency. So this is the frequency. Okay. F2. Right. So you can see the wave pattern here down. According to that we can modulate the button settings. So then I have selected now frequency. I am changing it to, say maximum I am keeping 120. Mafi I am going forward to 150. Okay. So that is ideal setting. Then how much is the impulse second I want to do? Press it down again. How much is the impulse? 100 to 150 microseconds. You see here the symbol also it is there. MU, that is mu s. Mu s is microseconds. Hz is Hz is hertz. So you should know the symbol at least if you are not able to read the English frequency impulse. Okay. So then if I want to change the impulse, F2, Mafi F2. You press F2. F2 is frequency. Very good. So this is impulse. So I will change again 120 microseconds. Okay. Then how much time I want to give the current or give the supply, that you call it as emission. Okay. So that is on time. You call this one as on time. Okay. So on time how much I can say? 30 seconds. So how do I change? F4. 15 is maximum in this machine. Okay. So we will see, we will fix it as maximum 15. Okay. Then how much rest time I want to give?
Another machine different.
All maybe settings, maybe one mojud zyada, one mojud less. Okay. So you cannot say the same settings. Okay. So then what is pause here?
Stop.
That means rest period. Mafi current will come. We will see now. We will not say 10-15 seconds. We will say, for an example, 10 seconds. Now I want to give rest. So this is the rest. F5. See here the wave pattern is coming. That means this is only the on time. That we call it as emission. Okay. So here you can see the wave pattern is coming to 0. There is gap between 2 starting point or the 2 waveform. So that between 2 impulse. That is a pause.
Yeah.
So if you want to change the pause, you can press F5. So pause, I say maybe 2 seconds.
Okay, fine.
Okay, or maybe I'll increase the pause now. Say for an example, Say we'll say 10. So 10 seconds pause and 10 seconds impulse, so that we can able to make out some changes. Okay, then how much time I want to treat the patient?
5 minutes.
No, quarter hour.
Maybe the time is again depend upon the patient's tolerability, depend upon how much the patient can able to tolerate or different types. Okay, the position, okay, the sensation, all these things you can check. So time you can check by 20, you can go maximum 1 hour. Okay, maximum 1 hour if the patient is able to do or tolerate that. So usually you can go, there is no kanun again, it depends upon the patient and the type of current or the type of mode you are using. Okay. So we'll see here, maybe say 10 minutes. Okay. So again, here if you want to change the channel 1 or 2, I have put it in channel 1. Right? Channel is the output. So here we have two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. This one here. So I have put it in channel 1, so it is displaying in channel 1. Okay. So now we'll fix it in any one patient's, this one. I need a model. Model. Come, sit in. Take kursi, sit. Remove the cord. Any like this,
This is weird. This is weird.
اسمه دليلي
بس جل مرة.
This gel. موجود؟ موجود؟
You can use it in this field.
Sorry? You can?
Use it in this field.
Anywhere patient is indicated. Fracture healing?
انا الشغل ذا كله مو مشتغل انا عارف.
If it is indicated, you can give, no problem. If it is indicated, you can give, no problem. Okay. So you can make sure you put the gel, adequate gel, mafi more zyada or mafi less. If you put, say for an example like this area, is good or not good?
No, it's more.
This area.
Good. No, nothing. No, nothing.
This area.
Nothing.
Nothing. There is no gel. So that is good or bad? Bad. Why bad?
No, doctor.
Very good. Very good. So that means there is no conductor mojud. So make sure all your contact area, you say this is contact area, is
Cover by gel.
covered by gel approximately. Okay. So then you position the patient, sit in the kursi, and place your hand like this. Next, take this.
مدير كبير الشيخ. وليس الرقص بس هناك.
One pillow.
Doctor, what's called the name?
This, listen this. This you call it as Velcro strap. Velcro strap mainly used for stabilizing the electrodes. Stabilizing Velcro. VL.
At this point.
Very good.
خير.
So make sure the patient is stabilized, good. Okay, comfortably placed, right? Then say for an example, I am placing. Right. So this is for an example, I am just placing. Okay. Hold this.
صفر يطلع سباكي.
الرجال عندنا اختبار اليوم كيف يدخلنا واحد.
اثنين اثنين.
اشتري طيب ما نرجع ذاك واجد طيب ذي.
هذا كذا.
اي معلومات واجد. كم الساعة؟
ساعة ترى بضيع.
لا في
لا في فرق.
اللي خطبة
بيسألك عنها ولا يطبقوا بس؟
ما في واجد سهل. لا هو اهم شيء يعني بسالك عنه بسالك عنها.
وش تلعبون هذا اللي فيها تحجير.
طيب سهل.
Okay.
لا الفكرة ما انت تحطه سهل. ما في سهل.
اوكي.
You are talking measurements here.
اوكي.
Right.
قلت بربرون.
So now I have placed the electrodes. So what I am supposed to do now?
Start.
I will
Let's start.
start. Now when I start, I am going to, this is 0 0. What is 0 0? Intensity. Now no current will come. No current will. I have set the parameter, then I have to give the current. Okay, so these are all the pattern or the pattern you have set for one mode. For an example, modulated mode. But if I don't give any current, the current will not supply. Current will not go to the patient. So how much milliamps I can give intensity for tens? For this type, maybe you can say general
1.100.
1 to 100 milliamps. You can increase. So that is the range. So that is the range you can go. Okay. So now again it automatically come to milliamps. Then I slowly increase. I will ask the patient if you feel anything, sensation under the electrode or below the electrode.
How do you go this one? 6? Press the 6.
No, press 6. Just say for an example. Now I stop. There is no indication here. Channel 00.
Uh-huh.
When I press start. When I press start, automatically it will come. You can see here the light, two lights, green and orange. Okay, both the lights. When I slowly increase it, this will change. One light is for current supply, that is on time, that is emission time. Another light will indicate pause time, rest time. Okay, so I slowly increase. You tell me if you feel anything.
How? ما حسيت شيء بعد.
شو معبق عليه يقول ترى عادي هذا شيء بسيط.
No metal موجود inside. No metal موجود inside. No metal موجود inside. Metal موجود. خلاص ها. Good ها. No pacemaker. No pacemaker. خلاص. Okay. So what do you feel now? Pulse. What kind of pulse? ما في shock mode.
Tingling.
Tingling.
Yes. So you see any muscle twitch?
Tingling.
Muscle contraction? No muscle contraction. So this is only a sensory. We know that the TENS can able to provide sensation, that is tingling sensation, as well as it can also able to produce muscle contraction if the impulse is strong. Okay. Now I am slowly increasing. Now I am increasing slowly. Okay. You see. It will not produce a Faraday current like this contraction. No.
It's like
Why?
This is a different type of current. Different type of circuit. What? More. What is more? The tingling sensation.
you know
Like vibration. Huh? Okay. Anybody is having pain, acute pain or chronic pain? We'll see what happens to him. Anybody is having pain, back pain or acute pain, knee pain? Huh? I'm asking anybody of you is having pain now? Mojud? What pain? Where? My elbow? Come. Okay, so again before switching off, make sure it is 0 and then stop. Okay, so we'll try to fix him. Expose the area. Come. Hold it one. So this is from the channel 1, you can see here. Okay. And now I am taking the channel 2. You can see here, I am taking the channel 2 leads and I am trying to place same the red one on the other side and the black one on the other side.
So you should to put
Sorry, yes.
black
Black, red. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So the arrangement will be like this. Since we are using 4 electrodes, you call this one as quadripolar arrangement. Okay, quadripolar arrangement.
Victor, this for muscle or
Deep muscle pain, all these things you can use.
في عضلات
Back spasm.
في عضلات سطحية
Okay,
وعضلات
so indications.
عميقة.
Okay.
هذا العضلات عميقة.
So see, now I am having here, this is the channel 1. Say for an example, this one I am making it fixed frequency. For an example, 4000 Hertz. Okay. This channel 2 can alter. This is channel 2, I can alter. So alter may be between, I can increase it to 100 or 200, more than 4000, or I can decrease from 4000, 100 or 200. Okay. So how the current pattern will be going on? The main effect will be on focused center. Suppose if the patient is having pain here, I have to arrange, yes, deep pain here. Okay. So I can arrange something like this, channel 1 electrode and channel 2 electrode. Okay. So it is not canon, you can fix it on either sides. So the placement can be differing. So but the effect or the resultant beat frequency, or what you call it as amplitude modulated frequency, will be at the center. So the current will be interfering, this is channel 1, 4000 frequency, and here will be 3800 or 3900 frequency. So we are making 2 medium frequency interfere with each other, so that's what we are keeping it as crisscross. We call this one as crisscross manner, or you can say quadripolar arrangement. Okay. So the current will be interfering with and effect will be produced at the center. You got the idea? So suppose not like tense treatment. Suppose you can place, suppose the patient pain is here on the thigh, on the hamstring muscle. You can place directly electrode on the area, that area, like tense, but not in this IFT. It is not like directly placing 4 electrodes over the painful area. So you have to concentrate where is the painful area, then little bit distance away from that, and then you have to place the electrodes. The effect will be on the center, and that is much more deeper than what you get from other low frequency current modalities.
لو
got it?
here or here.
يصير
Here.
هنا في النص.
Here.
طيب
If,
if we have
suppose if here, place it like here, little bit. So make it try to intersect on this area. Okay? Right? So that's what you use your little brain. And then
the hamstring muscle, no.
again, same way. Hamstring muscle, say for an example, here is there is a pain. The same way I can use it anywhere.